So sometimes when we run through a loop, we might want to break out of the loop early if a certain condition is met, and we can use a break statement for that case. So I'm going to have define a for loop with int I equals 0, and the loop will end when I equals 10, and I'm going to increment on each iteration. And what I want to do is I'm going to print I, so we can see that it's going through each value of I, and I want to break out of this loop if I equals 4. So I'm going to define a condition, an if statement, a condition that's going to be checked on each loop, and if the condition is true, I'm going to break out of it by declaring the expression break. And so if I run that, we can see that the loop ran 5 times. It got to I equals 4, and it got to the statement, it ran the statement break, and the rest of the loop was never completed.